Hello, hello? Who's there? MTF? Give me good hopes.
Oh, let's fuck up the SCPs. Oh shit, I'm escaping in the elevator.
Here?
I'm gonna lose to no, like, beast.
Hey, is there any gang here? Any gang? Hold on, I'm on the phone. Is there any gang here?
SCP.
Yeah. Oh wait, no, that's chaos. Oh no, man down.
Chaos insurgency.
Oh, that's that.
Down there.
We gotta run towards the danger.
I'm throwing a frag.
What the hell?
I just wanted to do that. Police!
Okay.
Oh, Christmas!
I hear them. They're coming.
Doesn't matter, it's
Oh,
Christmas.
there's a ball! Why is there 2 balls? Behind
Am I
the...
out of ammo? I'm out of ammo.
This, Whoa, there's a ball! There's...
Get back down. I will leave. Beautiful.
Hey, peanut.
Die by door.
That is true, I did die by door.
2 of them. micro. We gotta micro the K. Oh, there's a ball. There's a ball. There's a ball. We're gonna micro them.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, good. I did not know there was anyone left alive
Yeah.
that wasn't chaos or dead.
I was with like 3 people. They all died.
I shot a chaos insurgency. I actually shot a couple. Killed one
Yeah.
though.
There's a bunch of them. What are we gonna do, Captain? You're the captain.
I think we need to wait till next spawn.
Yeah, we gotta wait.
And just pray it's MTF.
Yeah. Hopefully they don't nuke.
Yeah, then it's gonna be one uphill battle.
We got the micro, hopefully. Oh, cake. Cake.
And 4. So, cake makes you into a child. It turns you small. The funny thing is, I'm already on 1 SCP. Oh. It's whatever that green substance is called again. Oh, the one you drink? No, the one that you put on your body. Oh, yeah. On the arm, right? Yes. The green liquid. There's no backup. Are we gonna go up? What I like to do is go up, see if there's any chaos, and shoot them if there are, and if there's too much, we just retreat. You take that side. No, there's nothing. Oh shit. Hey man, come out bro.
1 out of 3 generators activated.
We can do it. Okay.
Oh, we're back.
They were just here.
Oh, one sec.
Shoot 'em. So what are the odds we all die when this happens?
I think they're probably doing things like fighting the SCPs or messing around.
Oh, they got one.
By order of
Oh no, we gotta go. It's gonna you.
How did we die?
How did none of us find the MTF?
Where's entrance?
So there's only one.
I don't think we'll make it. Oh, right here. We gotta go! Right here, bro, right here. Let's go. I'm gonna prepare the mic for you. No one here? Yeah, we gotta watch out. We gotta go there.
I would advise us to clean out our behind before we even go there.
out of
Yes!
You don't